low-key scared. Pray for me. I probably should have read this better before putting this on. Really definitely didn't read it. So, take it in. Hey everyone, this is Lissette here. Welcome to my channel. I know it's been so long since I last posted. Just a lot. If you've been following me on Instagram, you know the deal. A lot has been happening, but we're back with another video. I'm excited to post this or to record this. We are going to do a change today. It's not going to be a nail video. It's going to be a hair video. Let me prop you up here real quick. It's been way too long since I posted a video, so I'm hoping I get my groove back with this one. Hold on. We're in my bathroom, and yes, the cat was just using the litter, so yay. This is the current state of my hair. I have been red, I want to say a year and a half, and I'm over it. I'm just over it. I miss the blonde. This is magenta from L'Oreal Paris High Color. It's a pretty color, but I'm just tired of it. I'm tired of maintaining it. I'm tired of constantly having to keep the red, so we're gonna change it. My hair might fall off during this process. I'm mentally prepared for it, so we're going back to blonde. But I got a lot of stuff to kind of prepare myself if anything goes wrong. So let me just show you what I got. This is what my hair is looking like now. Yeah. It's really red, really red. Okay, so let me just show you what I got from the beauty supply store to transform the process. And I know it's really hard to take out red. So like I said, I did a lot of digging and not research, just like looking at different videos of what not to do. Okay, so we got some color remover. This is from L'Oreal Techniques. I ended up getting 3 of these. This was like $6. So I ended up getting 3 of them. And then I did get some quick blue bleaching. Again, just in case I feel like I'm going to end up needing this right after the color remover. You know, I'm trying to strip as much of the red eye as possible. And then I'm going to go with some bleach. 20 developer. And then as far as like toners, I wasn't sure what to go with. So I ended up picking up 4 different ones. So I picked up 2 number of the T27... What is this? The Wella toners, color charm toners. So I got 2 of these. And then, please don't, I don't know, my son wanted me to pick this one. This is 8, and this is not a toner. This is like a actual permanent color. So I guess if none of this works out, I could throw this on. But this is like it's a pretty honey blonde color, light blonde. It's called, is 8N. Aiden picked this one out. And as far as other toners, I ended up picking one number T11 and then T35. Thinking about maybe for like my roots to do like a little ashy, what do you call that, shadow root? Don't know if that's gonna happen, but we're gonna try. Pray for me. Let's get started. I'm like low-key scared. We're gonna start with the color remover. My heart is racing. I'm just gonna cut this. Pour that out. This looks just like bleach. Is they color over straight up bleach? So we're just gonna go with the 2. And then developer, I'm honestly just gonna pour it because I don't know. This is strong. And we're just gonna mix. I don't even know what consistency is supposed to be, but we're guessing. We are guesstimating. Okay, so I just sectioned my hair off really fast, and then I'm gonna go ahead and start applying this. I'm going to try to avoid the root area as much as possible. Let's see. I don't know. Oh man, I can't even see anything. Do I go to my tip? I don't know. Okay, we gotta do this fast. Okay, so I did it. I put a bag on my head. We're gonna leave this in. It says like 30 No, it says 45. Hold on, let me read this again. You know, I probably should have read this better before putting this on, because I definitely didn't read. What did I read? I don't remember none of this. I think I read the other bottle. What mixing chart? Oh, in the front. Duh, what is wrong with me? Oh, my scalp is itchy. So it says 52 an hour because my hair is a dark shade of permanent color. Don't know if we're gonna leave that long. We might do 30 to see. We're gonna do 30. I'm gonna come back and then I'll come back when I wash it out and I'll let you know how long I left it in. Okay, washed it out and now we're like orange. It's okay, it's okay. It's okay. We're really orange. We're orange and blonde. My hair actually feels really good. I thought it was gonna feel really stringy, but it doesn't. So that's a plus. We're gonna go in and bleach. I left this in for, what, I think it was like 45, 50 minutes. I won't say 45 minutes. And I'm gonna bleach. We're gonna go with the quick blue and then 20. I'm gonna do both packs to really saturate my hair. Yeah, I just realized I'm doing this with my earrings on. Okay, so also my hair is like semi-dry, but we're just gonna go on in and just slap it on because you know what? Okay, my phone ended up dying, but I ended up putting it in. I'm gonna leave it in for at least like 15 minutes, check it, 15 minutes, just like that, because I really don't want my hair to break off. And it's working pretty fast. And I put it on my roots. So I'm gonna monitor it and yeah. Okay, so I ended up moving to my other bathroom, but you guys, look at what it looks like in this lighting. It's like, I don't know, it looks crazy. I don't even know what color that is. Is it like pink, pinky orange? My scalp is burning. I don't think I could take another round of bleach. So I'm gonna wait another like 10, 15 minutes, wash it out, and then I'm just gonna tone it and we'll see what it looks like from there. Okay, so we're back. Where did I leave you off? I left this is the next day. This is where we left off. I did the bleach. I left that on for like 40-ish, 45 minutes. I was gonna do like a whole hour, but honestly, it didn't really seem like it was lifting any more than it already had. So this is where we're at. Yeah. Take it in. Take it all in. Yep. I know. I did freak out a little bit yesterday, but this is part of the process. I don't think I'm gonna bleach it again. I think I'm gonna leave it as is. I am scared that my hair is gonna fall out. Look at this. This is like, it's like it bleached my skin. Look at how white that is. It looks like I have no hair. This is all hair though. But it bleached my skin and turned my hair white right here on both sides, like my temple. Ain't that crazy? We're gonna do the toner. We're gonna go in with the T27. 2 boxes of this. I'm gonna put this all over, see what it does. And for I'm gonna put on my roots. And for the roots, if I feel like I need it darker, I'm gonna go in with the T35, maybe. Because I know this is gonna be hard trying to only get the roots to do like a shadow root. I might need help with this, I don't know, we'll see. But my scalp was on fire yesterday. So I stopped around 6:30, I think is when I just rinsed it out. And I was like, all right, let me just call it. That's not bad from like where I was to like this for only being like 2.5 hours. My scalp was burning. It feels so much better right now, but I'm afraid now that I put the toner on, what is it gonna feel like? I'm gonna do the T27. I'm gonna do the 20 developer. 1 part of this, 2 part of that. I honestly think I'm just gonna do 1 bottle first, see what it looks like, if I need more, and then we'll go from there, because I honestly don't want to waste this toner. I'm gonna fill this. Oh man, I can't see. So I just did that. To make sure the measurements are accurate. I think this is good for my whole head. So I'm gonna just do 1 bottle. Oh, this smells strong. This is gonna burn my scalp. Okay, so this say it works best on damp hair. So I'm just gonna re-wet my hair and then towel dry it. I'm just gonna put a little bit. I'm not gonna put a lot. I'm not gonna drench it, but I'm gonna add moisture to it. So this is a different bathroom. So the lighting is different, but the color is still orange. Okay, I'm gonna apply this on everything. I'm going to probably wait 30 minutes and then wash it out and I will be back. Okay, this is what we are working with. I'm not sure if it's really gonna do much, but like this is what the back, I'm hoping, I can't really tell if it's doing anything, but we're gonna wait half an hour, let it process, wash it out, and then see where we go from there. Still looking orange. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, I don't remember if it was like 20 or 30 minutes. I totally forgot to look at the time when I put it on. Let's see where we are at. It's still looking a little orange, but better. Okay, I think I could work with, oh, that looks orange though. Look at that compared to my roots. I think I'm gonna wash it out. Yeah, let's wash it out. Okay, so this is where we're at. I did the toner. I left it in, I think, like 30 minutes. And yeah, so it's still like orangey. It's more like an orangey pink color. So a lot of the red is gone, which is great. But honestly, I am afraid to do anything else. I don't want my hair to snap off. So this is where we're gonna go. I was gonna go in with the roots. I was gonna do the roots, but honestly, I just don't like the color in general. It's way too light. I do want it more darker, more of like a honey color. And this is, yeah, I don't know where to go from here. So I did decide just to bite the bullet and go to a professional. So I made an appointment for tomorrow. So we're staying like this till tomorrow. But yeah, I explained to her the issue. I tried to get in today, but she couldn't. So we're just gonna go in tomorrow and she's going to fix his hair and hopefully I don't lose any hair. So far, I haven't lost anything, which is great. My scalp feels really good. I don't want to mess with it too much to irritate it. But the only part that does bother me is like this back part, like right here. But other than that, everything is fine. So yeah, made an appointment for tomorrow. She's gonna do a color correction and we will see what it looks like. Because this ain't it. This ain't it. Nope. Nope. Okay, this is how I'm looking. We are off to fix this hair. 1 o'clock appointment. We're on our way now. All right, you guys. So I ended up going to Grace Colors Hair. She is by Decatur Ave. She was amazing, you guys. This is her Instagram. Go check her out if you're in the area. Her address is there. But y'all, I was so like, I ended up messaging her and I told her the issue. I booked the next day. Thank God she was available. But you guys, I was so nervous to just even show her my hair, and she was very comforting, and she, you know, I felt like positive vibes, like she could do it. Right when I walk in, she took me, and this is me just like looking at my hair like in horror. She did have to do a test strand just to see what my hair was like capable of taking. But she did the test strand. It was all good. So she did decide to go with bleach. And this is me in the foils. The fact that I did so many processes, like she said my hair was like really healthy, which is good. Look at how, oh my God, this was after the bleach. It looked so bad, but I was at this point still confident and hopeful. I knew that it was a possibility of me, you know, trying to do this myself, that I was gonna lose some hair, but luckily I still had all my hair by the end of the process. And then she went in with some toner, and I honestly thought it was gonna be more steps than this, but she was good, y'all. Like, she took care of me, so I'm so thankful for her for that. I did ask for like a little bit of a shadow root, so that's what she did. She gave me that. She applied the toner overall, and my hair did burn a little, but again, that was my fault, y'all. I was chewing gum this whole time. I had gum in my mouth the whole freaking time. I was chewing so hard because I was just so nervous about my hair. But you guys, look at how it came out. Tell me it isn't bomb. I was so happy with it. It looks so freaking good. I'm so happy that it just, like, I had all my hair still, and it looks even. It looks even. Look how shiny and gorgeous it looks. I was so happy, you guys. I was like ecstatic. This is what my hair officially looks like. Go to Grace Colors Hair if you are thinking about changing your hair color. Just extensions. You styles it really nice as well. Tape-ins, I believe. The Kate tips, they have it all there. So go check her out on Decatur Ave if you're in the Bronx area. But yeah, that is it. This is my hair story. I'm officially blonde. But yeah, moral of the story, go to a professional. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Love ya.